Hello and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the cars from the J case 2020. Yes, it is. That J case is so far it's the best case in 2020. Lots of cool cars in there. Yeah, not just one or two, three cars. It's quite a lot cool cars inside. So there you go, we're going to open up some of the cars in the J case. So let's get on with it. First off is the new casting of the, yeah, look at that, 2020 Jeep Gladiator red. New casting, kasiloose. Our trusted turntable, and there you go. Focus it up a bit. That's the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Look at that, with a Rubicon on side of the hood there, red, with a motorcycle at the back, plastic headlights, which is a plus, and nothing much on the tail lights. Yes, it is. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Look at that. And is it? It looks like separate piece. I'm not so sure. Is it? No, I think that the rivet there goes up to the there. It's not really, you cannot take it out. It's unpainted a little bit. Yeah, missed opportunity there. The motorcycle is unpainted. Yeah, there's a Hot Wheels there, Jeep, Rubicon. Only that my IC there is kind of rubbed off. Yeah, the Rubicon, but look at the headlights there. Yes, it is. It's plastic headlights. It's not tempered, it's plastic headlights. Metal. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Awesome. Let's give it a spin, shall we? Look at that. Very dark windscreen, so that's why the headlights also are quite dark there, not a clear plastic. That's awesome. So next we'll go for, yep, is the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. I like its casting. Yes, it is, especially, put it down, especially it comes in blue. Look at that. I'm a sucker for plastic headlights, because once you've got the headlights done in plastic, you can do crazy design on the tempos there. Yes, it is. Look at that. Metallic blue with blue rims, also PR5. There's the Porsche, and there's the tail lights. Awesome Porsche Panamera Turbo S with Hot Wheels license plate. This is nice. Look at that. Debuting last year. I love this casting. Let's give it a spin. What else do we have? How about this one? Yup, it's the Honda S2000 under the Honda Sub Series in yellow grady. Porsche, the Honda S2000. No tail lights because it's got the side temples there, and headlights. Nice grady there. Awesome. Not too crazy on the design there. Keep it clean. Love the wheels there. Yes, it is. That's the Honda S2000. Since this is yellow, perfect segue for this car. Yes, it is. It's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon. Yes, it is. New casting for 2020 in the main line, because we have the premium SDCC version, right? But this is the main line. Yellow, green headlights, nothing on the side, nothing on the back, so make it sort of like a bear. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Awesome. Yeah, it's very plasticky look, too toyish. No opening, and due to the windows there, not sure if there's a interior, but look at that. The front bit are done beautifully, and also at the roof there. Awesome. But yeah, two bare on the side, on the back. Very deep rivet there, see that? Metal base, plastic body. So maybe, just maybe, there's no interior because this top here is a separate piece, I'm guessing. So that there's a base, body, windows, and roof. So there's no interior, but it's awesome. Look at that. Yes, it is. Hopefully it's not going to do like the Yellow Submarine. Too many times Yellow Submarine. I'm bored to death with the Yellow Submarine. Yes, it is, but this is awesome. Yep, don't know how they're going to do the recolor. I don't think so. There you go, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon. And what else? Yeah, this is from the previous case, right? Awesome. Which is the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. There you go. Baby blue, light blue, white. The Dodge Power Wagon. With the, what it calls on the top there, spotlight. This is beautiful. Yes, it is. Look at that. Wow. This is big. Big mother. Big mother. What else? What else? Maybe we're going to take this one. Yes, it's a new casting, which is the Erikenstein rod. Erikenstein rod. There you go. Power Wagon. Erikenstein rod. Look at that. Oh man, let's take a closer look. We've seen this kind of decorations, right? The deliveries. Yup. But first, let's take a look. There's metal base. Is it metal base? No, it's a plastic base. Metal body. Yup. Big engine there. nice interior. Not sure if you can see this. Let's focus it a bit. Can you see this? There's sort of things inside. Let's give it a little bit light. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, but that is cool. Chrome interior. Chrome interior there. Wow. But this decoration is from the previous mod rod. Yup, the gumball. So the difference is just the gumball 3000, but the color, the design is very similar. That is awesome. Let's take a, yeah, one is the 51, one is the 52, very similar. This is nice. Hopefully it's going to be a start of a new design group. Look at that. That color is just awesome. Frankenstein rod and the mod rod. This one from the last year, right? The mod rod. Nice. So next we're going for the Jaguar XE-SV project. Which is, for me, I love the casting here. Debuting last year. For me, it's one of the best new casting. Let's take a bow at Frankenstein. Now in green, very dark metal flake green. Not sure if you can see how green is that. Maybe. Yeah. Still maintaining the headlights and tail lights because it's in stock color. That is awesome. Like that. Look how green is this. Even though you're using the Trap 5, but it's a blackout Trap 5. I'm not really keen on the rim there, but since it's a blackout, it looks nice. Trap 5 is not for the real cars actually, but that is awesome. See Trap 5? Yeah, it looks like it's a Trap 5. Look at that. Oh my. It's awesome. Is it too much light there? And just to show you the last year's burnt orange. I like the Jag. I really do. Awesome. Nice. So let's go for this one, right? Let me put it back. Go for the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Yes, it is a favorite among most of you. Take a jab there. And there you go. Look at that. Type R Honda on the side there, number 18 Honda Racing. Let's take a closer look. Headlights, nice. There's the Honda Racing, genuine genuine accessories, Honda Type R, Honda Race. Wow, wow. Okay, this is the is it J5 wheels? I've heard there's a variant in terms of the rim. There's a PR5 also. So for you guys, check if you have this type of wheels or the PR5, right? Check it. I think there's a variant out there, but this is beautiful. But one thing I like, first came with this one in the D case, right? Very stock looking red base, and for the recolor, they've gone into a racing type. Wow, wow, that is awesome. It's just not just a different colorway, same design, something like that, but it goes totally different. Totally different. How cool is that? How cool Hot Wheels is doing that? Look at that. The stock and the racing version. It's crazy. Yes, it is. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Looks so much different from each other. Nice, nice, nice. Or maybe I just let you feast your eyes on this, and let me check this one, the custom auto. Yes, it is custom auto. Stick going down there. There you go in purple. A quick story history. It's not really a new casting. It's what, since 2008, but I'm not sure if it has been in the main line, because I don't think so. And let me show you something else. Let's show the side there. There's an auto, a tan interior, very classic looking. Okay, let's put it this. This is not an old casting. This is not a new casting, but see that 2019. So I'm guessing before this, all of the custom auto has a metal base, and is it made in Thailand or China? So this is the first base made in Malaysia, plastic base. You guys can comment on the history of the custom auto, but that is cool. Look at that. That is cool. It's been quite a while we've seen this one. Previously metal base, now plastic base for the main line, of course. Yes, it is. So hopefully you're going to see more of the custom auto. Awesome, 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 awesome. So what else? So of course this one is the 98 Honda Prelude. Everybody's going gaga on the Honda Prelude. New casting for 2020. Like I said, J case is definitely the best case there is. Wow. Let's put it back a while. Yep. Take a look at the Honda Prelude, new casting for 2020. Yes, it is in silver, and like I said, plastic headlights, a win. I love it. And there you go, the tail lights, red interior. You can see the sunroof. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. Loving the plastic headlights. Yes, it is. There's a small Honda there, very tiny. You can see there's a sunroof, red interior. Look at the details there. Wow. 8471, very Japanese. license plate there. Anybody knows the significance of the number? There's a Honda headlights, nice. Nice tail lights there. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a right hand drive, obviously. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, the video is going too long maybe. But these all are beautiful. There's the Prelude, 2 more to go. Yep, it's a 57 Plymouth Fury. And we have quite a while we've seen this. Hasn't been in the main line before. Maybe, yeah, it's been in the main line before. So that's the Prelude going down. And that's the Plymouth Fury. Most of you know the car from the quiz team. It's big, long, 57 Goodyear. This is nice. Look at the grille there. Wow, 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 wow. White, orange, red, plastic base, metal body. It's quite heavy actually, a little bit heavy, because look at the body there, or body there, all metal, dark interior, orange windscreen. I love this. Look at that. Look at that Goodyear. Awesome. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. And the last one to cap it off is the T-Fox Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Yes, it is. There you go. And in my opinion, this is the best T-Fox delivery. Look at that solid black. Oh, you can see the matte black. Wow. And plastic headlights. I'm crazy about the plastic headlights. Like that. Take a closer look there. Hot Wheels, T-Fox, and many others. Too small that I can read. Look at that. And on the top, you can see the ghost. Look at that ghost symbol there. Wow, T-Fox. This looks awesome. Yes, it is. Yes, 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 yes. Wow, 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 wow. And there you go. Kasiloose 4J case to the cars that I believe deserve to be kasiloose. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see the cars there. Let's focus out a bit. So which one is your favorite once you see them out of the cart? Give a comment definitely. Yup. Mwah. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So subscribe. Don't forget, give a thumbs up, share everyone, comment anything down below. Talk to you later. See you soon. And I'm sorry for the long video. Yep, nearly 25 minutes. But hey, it's awesome. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.